3 new sketches. What we need to do is loft those sketches like we did with the main body. So we're adding our 3 sketches, and as you can see, that adds the material to the outside. However, we also need to remember that we need our profile condition to be normal to the profile. That gives us our outer shape. Just want to highlight, in case it was not clear, and it probably wasn't, it shows your work will probably have add. We want to make sure that this is a new solid part, and it creates this new part here. So we accept that part. The next thing we want to do is on the front plane, we want to sketch our handle. So front plane, let's look at it in 2D. I'm going to use the spline tool, and what I'm going to do with the spline tool is draw approximately a line. I'm going to do this much longer than the original shape. I'm going to press escape a second time, which allows me to go in and just manipulate my lines, making sure I'm happy with my overall shape and styling. So something like that, that's pretty happy. Then I'm going to use the offset tool to copy that line. It's got a little white arrow. If the arrow is pointing this way, you can just move it like so. Okay, so I'm going to drag that, and this will probably be something like 29 or 30 as a distance. 30 is great, that looks about right. It's a bit different here, but that's fine. I'm going to press escape. If I press escape, of course, I've deleted my line. So let's click it again. Let's click the line. Let's drag it to be 30. Okay, it's 30.3, so I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to type in 30. So I've got a set measurement. Now it's done that, I can press escape. So if I want to at this point, I can manipulate both lines. Let me just undo. Or I can pick one line and try and manipulate. However, because it's an offset, it would want to change both. So this was my sketch. I'm actually happy with my 2 lines here. So we're going to accept that. Okay, so now what we've done is we've set up our work ready. So I'm going to edit the sketch one last time, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to add a straight line from this point to this point. So let me put it into 2D. Let me zoom in. So about here to here. Press escape, and I'm going to do the same on this end here. Press escape and green tick to accept.